stop. Take your hand off the screen. Do not scroll. Do not close this tab. I need you to listen to me very carefully, because what is happening right now, in this exact second, is not an accident. It is not a coincidence. It is a divine appointment. You might think the algorithm brought you here. You might think you clicked on this randomly while looking for something to distract you. But the truth is, the algorithm is just the modern tool of a much older, much more powerful intelligence. The universe has been trying to reach you. It has been trying to get your attention through repeating numbers, through overheard conversations, through that gut feeling that tells you something needs to change. But you have been too busy, too distracted, or too afraid to listen. So it pushed this video in front of you as a final intervention. If you skip this, if you click away, you aren't just skipping a video. You are closing a door that has been cracked open specifically for you. You are walking past an exit sign in a burning building. This sounds dramatic, but look at your life. Are you truly happy? Are you living the destiny you know you were born for? Or are you stuck in a loop? This video is the key to breaking that loop, but you have to be brave enough to watch it until the end. The opportunity we are talking about today is what metaphysicians call a timeline shift. Right now, you are standing at a crossroads in the quantum field. There are two versions of your future existing simultaneously. In one version, the default path, you keep doing what you've been doing. You keep struggling with the same finances, the same lonely nights, the same health anxieties. You keep waiting for a someday that never comes. That is the path of least resistance, the path you will take if you scroll away. But there is another path, a timeline where the breakthrough you've been begging for has already happened. In that timeline, you are abundant, you are healed, you are deeply loved, and you are at peace. The bridge between these two realities is not hard work. It is not more struggle. The bridge is a shift in your frequency, and this video is the tuning fork. If you leave now, you stay in the old frequency. If you stay, you give your soul permission to align with the new one. Why do people lose this opportunity? Why do 99% of people scroll past messages like this? It is because of a psychological defense mechanism called the comfort of misery. We say we want to change, but our subconscious minds are addicted to the familiar. Even if the familiar is painful, it is safe because it is known. The unknown, even if it is beautiful, is terrifying to the ego. Your ego is screaming at you right now to click away. It is telling you this is nonsense. It is telling you this is too long. It is telling you that you don't have time. That voice is not you. That is the voice of your programming. That is the voice of the version of you that wants to stay small. To seize this opportunity, you have to defy that voice. You have to prove to the universe that you are finally ready to receive something different by doing something different. By pausing, listening, and opening your mind to a truth that scares you. Here is the truth that will change everything for you in the next 24 hours if you let it land. The universe does not give you what you want. It gives you who you are. Read that again in your mind. You have been begging for a change in your external circumstances, but you have remained the same person internally. You want more money, but you inhabit the feeling of poverty. You want love, but you inhabit the feeling of unworthiness. The opportunity you are about to lose if you leave is the opportunity to perform an identity reset. This isn't about positive thinking. This is about energetic occupancy. You have to occupy the space of the person who already has what you want. Most people wait to see it before they believe it. That is the trap. You must believe it. You must become it before you can see it. This video is your wake-up call to stop looking at the mirror of reality and waiting for it to smile first. You have to smile first, and the mirror has no choice but to reflect it back. Let's talk about the specific golden window that is opening for you. Astrologers and energy workers talk about portals, but the most powerful portal is the present moment when awareness kicks in. By finding this video, you have entered a high-frequency stream. The chances of you being here, amidst billions of hours of content, are statistically zero. That means the universe has conspired to bring you this message. The message is this: you are currently carrying a dormant potential that is ready to activate, but it requires your consent. It works like a contract. When you engage with high vibrational truth, you sign the contract. When you ignore it, you void it. The opportunity you will lose is the acceleration of your dreams. If you skip this, you might still get to your destination, but it might take you 10 more years of trial and error. Do you have 10 years to waste, or do you want the shortcut? The shortcut is a concept I want to introduce to you called radical non-attachment. The reason you haven't received your blessing yet is because you are strangling it with your desperation. You want it so bad that you are pushing it away. You are vibrating at the frequency of, I don't have it. The opportunity of this video is to learn how to let go. Imagine you are holding a handful of sand. If you squeeze your fist tight to try and keep every grain, the sand slips through your fingers. But if you open your palm flat, the sand stays. You have to open your palm to your life. You have to say to the universe, I am ready for my destiny, but I am not desperate for it because I know it is already mine. That shift from grasping to receiving is what turns the key in the lock. If you are still here, it means your soul is stronger than your ego. It means you are part of the 1% who are actually ready to wake up. So, here is what you need to do to not lose this opportunity. You need to make a pact with yourself right now. For the next 72 hours, you are going to go on a negativity fast. This is the price of admission to the new timeline. You cannot speak one word of complaint. You cannot gossip. You cannot verbalize your lack. If a bill comes, you bless it and say, there is more where that came from. If a challenge arises, you look at it and say, this is just a test of my new reality. This sounds simple, but it is incredibly difficult because you are addicted to your struggle story. But if you can do this, if you can hold the frequency of gratitude and trust for just 3 days, you will shock your reality into shifting. The people who clicked away 3 minutes ago, they are back in their loop. They are already scrolling through mindless content, numbing their pain, reinforcing their old programming. They lost the opportunity. But you are still listening. This signifies that you are on the verge of a breakthrough. You can feel it, can't you? That slight elevation in your heartbeat, that feeling of resonance in your chest. That is your intuition confirming the truth. Do not ignore that feeling. That feeling is your GPS. It is telling you that you are close. You are so close to the life you have been visualizing, but you have to walk through the gate. Let's go deeper into the cost of skipping. What is the actual cost? It's not just money or time. The cost is regret. The cost is looking back 5 years from now, being in the exact same place, and remembering the moment you felt a pull to change and ignored it. There is a specific law in the universe called the law of atrophy. If you do not use your intuition, it withers. If you ignore the signs, they stop coming. The universe eventually stops knocking if you never open the door. By ignoring this video, you would have been telling the universe, I prefer my comfort over my growth. And the universe would have respected that decision. It would have left you alone in your comfort, which is actually your prison. But because you stayed, you are activating the law of reception. You are telling the universe, I am listening. Speak to me. Show me the way. And because you have asked, the answer must come. Watch for the signs in the next 24 hours. They will be undeniable. You might see a sequence of numbers like 1111 or 444. You might hear a song that has a specific meaning to you. You might get a call from someone who can help you. These are not coincidences. They are breadcrumbs leading you to the feast, but you have to be awake to see them. The person who skipped this video is asleep. They will walk right past the miracle and call it a normal day. You will see the miracle and call it destiny. Finally, I want to leave you with a specific visualization to seal this opportunity. I want you to imagine a version of you standing in front of you. This version is glowing. They are smiling. They are dressed in the clothes you want to wear. They are living in the home you want to live in. They are holding hands with the love of your life. They look at you with total compassion and they hand you a golden key. As you take the key, they whisper, I am waiting for you. Just keep going. That version of you is real. It is existing right now in the quantum field. By watching this video to the end, you have just taken a step toward them. Do not turn back. Do not let the doubt creep back in. You have claimed this opportunity. The timeline has shifted. Now go out into your life and walk like the person who already has it all. Because in the eyes of the universe, you already do.